Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata.
Oh, wow, Kwakushabalala, we are here, my new segment, as I told you. With this segment, ngizobe ngifunda ama-message abuya kuma-munchies wami. Yes, we're not gonna name them.
Yes.
So they just need to send me emails, WhatsApp. The problems that are facing, you know what's so sad about, or scary? Even nalaba thwalisa amanga ngizobe ngifunda lapha.
Hey, apha.
But that's the thing about this segment ukuthi nalaba khohlisa abantu ngomthwalo. Ngiyobe ngihlezi with whoever here ngibuze imibuzo sikhuluma. So my munchies, this is your chance now to send me messages, your concern, even the guest that I bring on the show.
Yes.
If there's a guest I brought on the show and you are not here about it, don't worry.
Right.
You know what I'm gonna do? Let me not say it because I don't want them to be. But yeah, I think this is the chance for them to send whatever questions and
Grievances.
Yes, we are having this beautiful wine. I love this wine.
It's nice. It's very
Lauren,
nice.
I love them so much.
And when I get here already ngifuna yona, you know.
I know.
And this is my color.
I know, darling. The pink one, it's just that the
Yes.
pink one now, yeah. But yeah, we love them. And Dokotela, nginombuzo lana obuya kwimanchi ne?
Yes.
I just need you to help us. My munchies, you know, I promise you guys things. I'm using a phone. I'm not using the Munchies and Thought card. I'm not going to mention the name of the munchie. I'm just going to read. I am pleading with you, in need of an understanding and helping with gain and a way forward with my current situation.
Okay.
I have been watching your shows for quite a long time now and have learned a lot. I will respect your work in helping us understanding life as whole with all the surrounding our presence on earth. I need help.
Okay.
I am a Christian.
All right.
Hello.
Okay. She's she or he is a Christian.
He is a Christian.
Okay.
That has fallen in love with a woman who has a calling.
All right. Has a calling.
Yes. In fact, she has more than 3 ancestors. Can we have more than 3 ancestors? More than 1 ancestors?
I have 7.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's possible.
Yes.
But now I don't understand when this man is saying I'm a Christian and he is saying
Meaning
that,
he doesn't understand the spiritual part of things.
No, I'm saying me personally because
Okay.
now Yena Uti he is a Christian, but now he's telling me that his partner has got more than 3 ancestors, or the partner told him. I don't know.
Yeah.
The partner told him.
Mhlawumbe ngikutshelile, yes.
Okay, let me proceed. Or if I may say spirits
Yes.
that are in her. She has been denying Utwasa for as long as I can remember. And since her young age, even today, the persistent on her going for Utwasa. She goes to church. Underline that.
Yes.
She goes to church.
Yeah.
She prays,
Yeah.
fast, and do all the best to live a life of purity, avoiding sins. Anyway, I'm just asking myself, what is a sin? I don't know. Let me read it. Then you will give your thoughts and your opinion.
Hi, so Shaka Satan.
Sins, dishonesty, and all that God wouldn't want, all because she is trying to deny the calling. I also love it because now, as much as this man is telling me all these things,
He's
he
Christian.
also my
Umnikazi wendaba uyabaleka.
yes, but anyway, I'm not done. Let me read this. And
Okay,
then I'll give you,
okay.
I just want you to understand and be with me.
Yeah.
Okay, my major problem is that she rather prefer asking them to grant her permission to their work in godly way. But Idokotela, is it possible vele
In
ukuthi-
godly way.
Is it possible vele ukuthi uma kumele uyothwasa wena uvele ukuthi hayi? I think one of my friend Uma Getcha spoke about this thing, but I'm gonna have an episode with him soon. But is it possible ukuthi ngithi madlozini ukuthi can you please allow me to do this in godly way? Kanti what is the ancestral whatever? Anyway, let me proceed to the Dokotela. So I'm
Okay.
I love this segment.
Cha, will advise, read on.
Yes. And then godly way, like being a prophet or any that may purely serve God. But I'm also asking myself, being a prophet is just a godly thing. I don't know,
No.
the prophets that. But anyway, the prophets that are coming on the show, I will read this for them as well.
Remember sithe kukhona akufani. Khona basesontweni, khona basesigodlweni. Yeah. Ufuna ukuba wasesontweni lo.
Uyayifunela
Ufuna
yena,
ukuba
it's not what is
ufuna
given.
ukuba a-prophetess.
Oh, Jesus.
Hi.
But the ancestors or spirits are denying it. You see? Now, we are telling manje ukuthi, but the ancestors are denying it.
Akuhambelani.
Okay, here's the question now. I was reading.
Yeah.
I love Manager because they're very educated. They can send things and then now questions. Please ask one. Please ask on my behalf, Kubo Gogo, Lapo,
Yeah.
if it's possible to help her withdraw process from the calling. That's question number 1.
Yeah.
So you can answer.
To
this.
withdraw.
I've got 5 questions, but let's start now. This is the first question. I get you head in that.
To withdraw from the
please
calling.
Ask on my behalf, Kubo Gogo Lapo. Is it possible for her to withdraw process from the calling? Is
Yes.
it possible? Is it possible?
Yes.
Do your thing now.
Right. Mawukhethiwe mfethu. Mawukhethiwe you cannot choose ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini. They chose you and then they labeled you already. Wena ungenwa idlozi lomdzawe nondlozi lemguni nedlozi lesithunywa or amakhosi or ini. Labantu uzosebenza ngabo ngendlela yabo. You are not entitled ukuthi ungadictator ukuthi wena ufuna ukusebenza kanjani. Yibo aba-dictator. Remember, they even dictate your life. Fana nabantu abaphethe remote ukuthi ama-moods awaswitche manje akakwati. Akayohlala ayi-1. Baswitcha manje. Ithi sihleli kumnandi kanje akayolala. Then you'll feel ukuthi ayish sengifuna ukuyolala manje. They dictate everything about you. You can go to church all you want. You cannot run away from your shadow. If this is in you, you don't have a right to say ngifuna ukuyisebenzisa ngendlela enje. Awukwazi ukuthatha umkhulu lo obekalusa inkomo zakhe zathathwa belungu bese ufuna ukuyomsebenzisa endaweni yesilungu.
So, Dokotela, hearing you, this person can withdraw.
She can. Mangabe idlozi alikakami ngeenyawo. Khona abantu esithi mangabe idlozi selime ngeenyawo alisafuna ukuhlehla, especially mangabe umuntu wakhona sekaqale ukuthi makahleli kube ngathi angahlehla angakwazi idlozi. Akusavumi sebeme ngeenyawo. Or ethi makahleli ezokuthi manje khona umuntu ozofika or sebamnikeza ama sign womuntu osekathwasile akasakhona ukuhlehla ke lapho. But if uzohlolelwa kuthiwe unesiphiwo wena but ayikakakuhlukumezi ayikakuphush in a way yokuthi kumele uqale manje, then you can say I cannot.
Also, you've got powers to
Yes,
say no.
ngiyabonga ukuthi nikhombe mina but I cannot. Then there is a ritual that is performed for you for this gift to ubizo lwakho to shift to another person.
Wow, I'm lost now, Dokotela. So,
Lalela sila. Nginesiphiwo but angifuni ukuthwasa. Ayikho into ezongihlukumeza ine extend ukuthi kumele ngiyothwasa ngenkani. As much as ingane mayisakhula ingenwa idlozi sikhona ukulalisa sithi sicela isikhathi akhule.
but ayinabungozi lo nto, Dokotela.
Ayinabungozi as long as you do it right. awukwazi ukuhlala phansi uthi wena angifune ukuthwasa ngilapho uzibangela inkinga. But if uzoba nenyanga nihlale phansi uthi mina mfethu ayilento izongihlula, then kuperformiwe iritual yokuthi isiphiwo silinkiwe komunye umndeni.
But don't you think we've got people if bebanolwazi, I don't know if banalini ngaba bathwasanga.
Kube abathwasanga. It's not everyone onesiphiwo onebizo okumele ukuthi manje everyone mele sithwase. Uyakwazi ukuthi uthi mina bafethu angeke. Cabanga nje sengisendumbini I'm honored ukuthi they bangrecognizeile, but lezi zinto mina zizongihlula. Remember ukuthi labantu maybe idlozi mali khomba, it's not 100% a must. You still have a right to say no, but do it in a right way. Culturally kukhona isiko esikwenzela lona, then unfortunately isuka vele emndenini wakho iya komunye umndeni, but it's still the same bloodline. Do you understand? Mhlambe ikasuka endlini ka-auntie iye endlini kamamkhulu. Uyabona? And then kukhona la kuthiwa khona umuntu idlozi selime ngeenyawo, it means isikhwama mhlambe lithi si-rejectwe kaningi asitafuni ukuthi sidlulele phambili, then kulowo is a must.
Oh, I get it.
Then the person doesn't have a choice.
Because now but you know me, if I'm getting lost, I pack it for a panic. Let's move. Thank you so much. And then the question number 2, please help ask an advisor for me. Is it okay for me as a Christian to continue getting married to her, as she may potentially become Inyanga, or which I'm not honestly in support of being married to Inyanga, yet she is the best lover and my wife Israel kind of woman. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's so beautiful there.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, I wish he was mine.
I wish he was mine.
Yeah.
Remember, I also love that.
All right. Akunankinga ukuthangana othandana nomuntu onesiphiwo yena ungenaso. Christianity is a choice, it's a belief, it's a religion.
What do you mean by saying Christianity is a choice?
Yeah, you choose to be Christian.
So Onyanga is not a choice?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Do you choose to be Christian? Ngingavuka kusasa ngithi angisafuna ukuba umKristu, sengifuna ukuba uMuslim manje ngoba sengithanda ama-Muslim.
Wow.
So I choose that. Ubani ozongitshela? You understand? It's a choice. Or mina ngizosonta eRoma or ngizosonta eZion because ekhaya sikhule kanjalo. I will have a reason why I'm doing that. You understand? But to answer that, ukuba ne partner enedlozi is very adventurous.
How? How?
It's nice.
How?
It's just that kunabantu laba abasebenzisa to their own benefit for their own selfish reasons. But if you can get umuntu o spiritual gifted, number one, you are protected.
Okay.
Spiritually, you are protected. Akukho umthakathi ozokhona ukupenetrate impilo yakho while you are sleeping with this person.
Oh.
That is the first benefit. Remember the soul tie? Remember the soul tie? When we sleep together, we exchange our energies, and then as much as mina amabutho wami angilwela and I'm sleeping with you.
So Nami is safe. Wow, thank you so much.
And to answer that, akunankinga ukuthandana nomuntu onesiphiwo. Kumnandi, he's going to learn a lot as long as umuntu wakhe angasebenzisi isiphiwo sakhe endlini.
Oh.
Remember there is a different. Mina umuntu wami masisendlini ngomuntu wakhe. Angisinyanga, angisigobela. I am myself. Angiworeboni. You understand that I'm submissive to him as the head of the family. And ngizwa yonke into naye, we discuss everything, and then angibeki umthetho njengoba ngenza emathwasini. Yeah, you understand. So kuba nale personality yami okuyimi ngedwa for him. as long as they can be able to do that, to differentiate babe bodwa noma bekumele ayenze into zedlozi, and he must respect ukuthi umuntu
I
onesiphiwo.
think the manje, I love what you're saying. I think it's like in the corporate world. Like when I'm at work, I'm professional.
Yes.
When I'm at home, I'm with my husband or my partner. And
Bonake.
he needs to understand. I think the problem of this manchi is because the Christianity and Ubungo. But anyway, let me read the third one. But my manchi, I hope you are listening. My manchi is, do send me WhatsApp, do send me DMs, do email me, because this is a new segment, Language and Thoughts, where we'll be sitting on the couch, and not all the guests. I will decide which guest I want to sit on the couch with.
Yeah.
So, this is my behind the scene.
Yeah.
I can't wait when we'll be talking about this because I have a lot.
From someone ongathwalanga.
I have a lot, Kehla, Gogo.
Ukuyithola from someone ongathwalanga.
Yeah. Okay, the third one. Will her being Inyanga have a potential when, with all those powers to bring both positive and negative things to the relationship? Like our sisters bringing anger to her, affection me at the same time.
You know, honestly speaking, it's just that abantu ba spiritually gifted, we tend to make things to be favorable to us, and we tend to do ukuthi into ukuthi ihambe ngendlela yami, I will include my ancestors, but it's wrong. If I'm with umuntu wami ukuthi senzani idlozi alingeni lapho, idalwa zakithi azingeni lapho okwami, and then mina bazoba involved if ngise ndombeni. And one thing again, idlozi or ingulo yakho, it doesn't choose a partner for you. Ngicela si highlight, si underline, it doesn't. No, siyayenza leyo nto masesiphethwe ukhebereche bethu. Lakuthanda idlozi lami. Idlozi lami lifuna wena.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Doctor, let me read it.
Abanye basishela kanjalo emgidini ngithi.
We are on number 4 now.
No, you passed number 4.
No, I passed number 3.
Asiqhubekeni.
Yes, we passed number 3 when was talking about the negative and positive you did.
Yes.
So this is 4, then 5 we're done. So in continuation of number 4, of number 3, will this continue into my bloodline, as in my whole future generations of children? Will they face the same problems she's having if she doesn't finally get rid of their act of her? I love this. And this is a very important thing. Like this one, I will give you attention to explain it, because if that's the problem, sometimes we think what I'm doing, it can affect with some of the things I think.
No. Remember, umntwana kababa kusumntwana kamama. Siqale lapho.
Oh wow.
Umntwana kababa. Umncane ugula ungasilalisi sikwisa geni. Masithi mukiseni kini. Makoti mhlebele phela ibongo zakubo. Sisekhaya. Sifuna ukuthi umhlebele ibongo zakuphi? Khabo baba. So umntwana wakababa. If ubaba akanayo leyo nto in his lineage, ingane zakhe angeke zibe nayo.
Oh.
No matter bangazalwa inyanga. Remember, he's the one planting a seed.
Wow. Yeah. But now I'm trying to, but it's for another day. Yes.
Yeah. Umama inyanga phathanani. But ubunyanga angimthathanga kumama ngimthathe ekhabo baba.
Okay. Let's go to number 5, the last one. As I am a deep Christian, will her being Inyanga probably say if she fails to avoid them, will her sexual bond, what you love, everyone love, sexual bond with me affect my life?
Yes. Unfortunately, yes.
Okay, talk to us.
Remember, besikhulume ngesoul tie, ne? we exchange energies. If I'm going to exchange energies with you, kungukuthi mina nginesikweleti sedlozi engingafuni ukulisebenzela, and then idlozi leli liyangivalela izinto, liyangikhiyela mhlambe fertility wise, financial wise, and so forth, work related. Then or ingenza black sheep of the family. That will affect you eventually because we are sleeping together.
But mina it's because I want to have a boyfriend who's a sangoma.
Yeah.
It's gonna affect me.
Yeah. If uthola sikhuluma ngomuntu ongathwasile la. Wena ukhuluma ngeboyfriend esangoma, akakweleti idlozi.
Oh, so right now.
So you can have him however you want.
Oh wow, thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much. We love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, this is my new segment on my behind the scene. So please do send me questions and we will bring them on the show.
Yeah.
I've got a lot anyway. So this segment I introduce it. Yeah. Thank you, Togo.
It's going to be nice though.
It's gonna be nice,
Yeah.
because this one we are
It's
just
going to
sitting
be
and
nice.
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kanye. Thank you so much, Rita.